Coffee in the Middle East transcends being just a beverage. It's a vibrant cultural experience. Picture the bustling streets of Istanbul, where the enticing scent of freshly brewed coffee wafts through the air. Here, the rituals surrounding coffee come to life. Traditional Arabic coffee, or kaahwa, is a delightful mix of robust flavors and aromatic cardamom, elegantly served in small, beautifully crafted cups. But it's more than mere sipping. It's a celebration of togetherness. When coffee is poured, it embodies warmth and hospitality. Friends and families gather, sharing laughter and creating unforgettable moments. Did you know that pouring coffee is considered an art? Techniques are handed down through generations, ensuring each cup is distinct and rich with history. In the cozy coffee houses of Beirut, laughter and stories intertwine, flowing as freely as the coffee itself. This beloved drink can even help mend disputes, uniting people in a spirit of peace. So, the next time you enjoy a cup, think about the intricate cultural tapestry woven into it. Each sip reveals a new story. Let's delve deeper into the captivating world of coffee culture and uncover these intriguing traditions together. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.